My beautiful Procreate friends, here's a quick video on how to make Procreate less pixelated. Now, the first thing to do is make sure when you create a canvas, you want to make it as big as you possibly can. Procreate is a pixel or raster program, and that basically means that when you resize objects, pixels are getting stretched. And the next most important thing is select the right brush. You want to pick a smooth brush that is round. If it has jagged edges in the shape, then you're going to get jagged lines. Not streamline right up to the top. This will help get smoother, more curvaceous lines rather than jittery. I recommend that when you're drawing, you draw in long, undulating movements from the shoulder. Don't draw from your wrist because it's much more minute. Whereas if you draw using your whole arm, you get these long, smooth curves. And if we zoom in, you can see that we've got beautiful, sharp edges. The further you zoom in, there will be a point where the lines do become blurry. And that's why it's so important to use a massive canvas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Why not follow along for more tips, tricks, and tutorials, and have a delightful day.